Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Samina Yunus and today I am going to explain the third chapter of English from Metric Federal, which is a poem. Its name is Try Again. This beautiful poem is written by William Edward Hickson. So the learning objectives of this poem are: after completing this poem, the students will locate synonym in a dictionary. They will be able to illustrate the use of must and must not. They will be able to illustrate the use of hyphen. They can state the main idea of the poem. So before starting the poem, I would like to share a story of King Bruce and the spider. King Bruce was the king of Scotland and he was defeated by English army. So after being defeated at a battle, Bruce escaped and found a hideout in a cave. Hiding in a cave for 3 months, Bruce was at lowest point of his life. He thought about leaving the country and never coming back. While waiting, he watched a spider building a web in the cave's entrance. The spider fell down time after time, but finally he succeeded with his web. So Bruce decided also to retry his fight and told his men, "If at first you don't succeed, try and try again." So this is the poem, Try Again, and students will find this poem in their English book. So it is said that every accomplishment starts with the decision to try. So this is the main point of the poem. It's a lesson you should heed. If at first you don't succeed, try again. So the summary of the poem is: this little poem gives us a big lesson. It says that the little steady steps secure superb success. Continuous struggle and the enormous efforts are needed to achieve ultimate ambitions and oft aim. If at first you do not succeed, try again. So, Try Again is a simple, thoughtful and moralizing poem created by the pen of British poet William Edward Hickson. In this poem, the poet tells us the importance of try again in case we fail in doing something due to some adverse circumstances. He says that we should continue try again till we succeed. I am not the best, but I am trying the best. In short, this little poem gives us a big lesson. It gives us the message of hope, courage, hard work, determination, and hopefulness. We should always keep this message in mind to be crowned with victory in our lives. As it is said by George Moore, a winner is just a loser who tried one more time. So the theme of the poem is, this poem is a moral lesson for us. In this poem, the poet says, if at first we do not succeed, try again and to get your goal. We should not give up our struggle during failure. We should learn from failure. Try again is only the gateway to success. In other words, poet tries to explain the importance of try again in life. Many people get frustrated after failure and give up their struggle. So we can say that try again is the only way to be successful. So at the end, I would like to say that failure is the opportunity only to begin again. So now the home task for the student is that they have to answer the given question in the reading comprehension. and they will also write the answers of unit related questions. Thank you.